Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ratih Kurniasari. I am now uh, I am I'm now presenting a paper which is due to TASOF, um, the Program Studi Magister Terapan Rekayasa Tekstil dan Apparel Politeknik S3 Bandung. Okay, today I want to present a journal of relationship between process parameters and properties of multifunctional needle punch geotextile. This is journal of Amit Rawal and Rajesh Ananjiwala, 2006, of Journal of Industrial Textile, volume 35, number 4. Okay. So the abstract of the journal is that this journal is investigates the influence of manufacturing process parameter, which is fit rate, stroke frequency, and needle penetration depth on the structural and functional property of needle punch nonwoven geotextile. The research actually establishes empirical relationship between these process parameters and the resulting fabric properties such as fiber orientation, pore size distribution, transmissivity, and permeability. Based on the finding, an expert system was developed to predict geotextile performance for specific engineering application like separation, dryness, and filtration, enabling optimized and multifunctional design. So actually, non-woven geotextile are complex. There are three-dimensional porous materials formed by randomly arranged fiber. They are widely used in civil engineering application, for road and railway construction, landfills, sea defenses, and slope stabilization for multiple function, so including filtration, dryness, separation. And the mechanical and hydraulic behavior of this material depends largely on fiber orientation and bonding during the needle punching process, making control of process parameters critical for high performance multifunctional geotextile. What is geotextile? Geotextiles are permeable textile material used in civil engineering. They belong to geosynthetics family, including geogrids, geonets, geomembranes, and geocomposites. The formation of nonwoven geotextile is produced via fiber preparation, web formation, web bonding, and finishing. Bonding is often mechanical, using needle punch. The material select for this research is hollow polyester staple fiber. It is chosen for its low density, good dryness capacity, and filtration performance. This sample made by which the staple fiber open, carded, cross-lapped to form fibrous webs, and the webs were then needle punched into fabrics at control process setting. The experimental methodology, central composite design with 3 variable. Yeah, the experimental design is with 3 variable: fit rate, the variation 0.4 to 0.8 meter per minute. The stroke frequency is 300 to 700 minute, and needle penetration is 7 to 12 millimeter. The test conduct is on pore size distribution, transmissivity, permeability, and fabric orientation. Pore size distribution is based on ESTM D6767. Transmissivity is based on STM D4716. Permeability is based on ESTM D4491. But the fiber orientation is based on image analysis software. The process parameter is feed rate, stroke frequency, and needle penetration. Yeah. The feed rate actually is significantly influenced the density and uniformity of geotextile. This is affecting the overall structure integrity. So adjustment can lead to enhanced performance metric in hydraulic application. While the stroke frequency, its impact, if increase, is impact to the needle penetration depth, directly correlating to fiber entanglement and orientation, which enhance to the mechanical properties of the produced geotextile. Then the last one is needle penetration, is critical for achieving desired pore size and hydraulic conductivity, which ultimately affect the efficiency of geotextile in various environmental application. This is the variable, the variation of the sample. There are 15 sample, and it is variation in below 1, -1, and above +1. Yeah. 3 variables, FR, SF, and NP. Okay, the result and discussion. The fiber orientation, the result of fiber orientation of each sample, the impact of manufacturing technique of fiber orientation, increasing needle penetration depth, increasing needle penetration depth increases the proportion of fiber alignment along the machine direction. And increasing stroke frequency reorients fiber toward the cross direction due to repeated needle fiber interaction. Yeah, we'll see the picture. Like for the pore size distribution, this is analysis of pore characteristic in geotextile. In both higher stroke frequency and needle penetration depth, reduce pore size due to fiber damage and fragmentation. The characteristic pore size O98 means that the diameter particle which 98% whole, decrease from 357 millimicron to 306 millimicron as NP increase from 7 to 12 millimeter. So this is the graphic of fiber orientation, depth, needle penetration, and stroke frequency. So if you see the fiber orientation, if you see the needle penetration variation, there are 7, 9.5, and 12 millimeter. There are some figure here. Yeah. So if you see the increasing needle penetration, increasing the proportion of fiber alignment, along the machine. If you see, increasing stroke frequency reorients fiber toward the cross direction to a repeated needle fiber interaction. While for this pore size, the pore size both, stroke frequency and needle penetration reduce. This is the NP7, 9.5, and 12. Because of the fiber damage and fragmentation. Okay. For hydraulic properties, this is we have to understand permeability and transmissivity. The hydraulic properties of needle punch geotextile are critical for application in drainage and filtration. Adjusting process parameter optimizes these properties, ensuring effective performance in varied environment. So transmissivity, in plane flow decrease with increasing stroke frequency and needle penetration depth because fiber become more vertical oriented. Permeability increases at lower feed rate and stroke frequency as larger pores are performed with fewer fiber. The Kozeny equation explained that the higher tortuosity and smaller pores reduce permeability. So this is the picture of the 3D of the result. Empirical modeling. Multiple regression models were developed to correlate process parameter with geotextile properties, area density, thickness, tensile strength, permeability, transmissivity. So high correlation coefficient confirms strong predictive accuracy. While expert system development, an expert system program in Delphi was created based on the empirical models. It enables user to input process parameters and automatically predict resulting geotextile properties, supporting efficient and precise material design. For expert system framework, so the overview, the proposed expert system integrates process parameter and performance data to enhance decision making in manufacturing multifunctional geotextile, ensuring optimized functionality and efficiency during production. A user-friendly interface allow engineer and operator to input parameters easily, generating real-time insight and recommendation to facilitate effective adjustment in needle punch geotextile manufacture process. Data analysis, advanced algorithms, analyze historical and experimental data, identifying pattern and correlation that inform user about the potential impact of varying process parameter on the desired product characteristic. And the performance prediction, the system predictive capabilities enable reliable forecasting of hydraulic properties, empowering manufacturer to achieve specific performance goal while reducing trial and error during the production process. This research, the key finding is fiber orientation, optimized fiber orientation, enhance strength and filtration efficiency in the textile. For the pore size, control pore size distribution significantly impacts water permeability characteristic, and hydraulic properties is adjusted process parameters improve transmissivity and overall hydraulic performance metric. So the conclusion, summary of finding and implications. The feed rate, stroke frequency, and needle penetration depth significantly affect the geometrical and hydraulic behavior of the needle punches geotextile. The reorientation of fiber from horizontal to vertical direction due to process variations alters both filtration and dryness performance. By optimizing process parameter, multifunctional geotextile with tailored properties can be produced. Yeah. The development expert system provides a cost-effective right first time approach to designing geotextile. Okay. This is the application of what we present today. Multifunctional uses in various sector, ada for the land reclamation, railway and roads, subgrade separation, drainage and filtration system, and landfill lining and water containment structure. The future work is the next step. The next stage is extend models for natural fiber to develop eco-friendly, sustainable geotextile materials with similar multifunctionality. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for watching this presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.